Are you curious about how to navigate ChatGPT? Let's delve into the fascinating facets of this revolutionary language model. OpenAI, a tech giant renowned for pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, has developed this advanced AI model. GPT stands at the forefront of this wave of innovation, representing the culmination of several groundbreaking advancements in AI technology. ChatGPT, a marvel of modern artificial intelligence, is not merely a byproduct of technological evolution. It's the result of intensive research and meticulous development processes, which have made significant strides in the field of AI and machine learning. This sophisticated language model is a testament to the power, potential, and versatility you can use ChatGPT. It all begins with a simple conversation. By typing a series of messages, you can kickstart an intriguing dialogue with the model. You'll be surprised by the human-like responses you receive. The model interacts and responds much like a human would, creating a near-human conversation experience. But there's more to ChatGPT than just responding. It generates text that is strikingly human-like. This is a feat that's largely attributed to the extensive training data it has been fed, which includes a broad array of human conversations and text. The model harnesses this data to mirror human linguistic patterns, enabling it to generate conversationally coherent and contextually relevant responses. Remember, the richness and precision of your inputs play a crucial role. Inputs play a crucial role in the quality of the outputs. The more detailed and specific your input, the better the output. A detailed input allows ChatGPT to understand the context better and thus generate a response that aligns more closely with your intent. ChatGPT comes with customizable settings too. By adjusting the temperature and max token settings, you can influence the system's behavior. It's like having control over the AI's creativity and verbosity, which can be particularly useful in tasks that require a certain degree of creativity or detail. Let's look at a few examples. Suppose crafting a science fiction story. You can invoke the powers of ChatGPT to generate a captivating plot or create compelling dialogues for your characters. This can be a game changer for writers, freeing up their mental bandwidth to focus on other creative aspects. On the other hand, if you're a student grappling with a complex topic, ChatGPT can be a lifesaver. It has the ability to distill complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand explanations. This functionality can transform the way you learn and understand subjects, making studying less stressful and more effective. However, it's important to remember that despite its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT doesn't truly comprehend the text as we humans do. It's devoid of beliefs or desires. It doesn't understand context or meaning in the way that a human brain can. And crucially, it doesn't have access to your personal data unless you willingly provide it during the conversation. It's a tool, not a thinking entity. It can't form opinions or make judgment calls. It simply generates responses based on the data it has been trained on. ChatGPT is indeed a remarkable tool, a reflection of how far we've come in the field of artificial intelligence. Yet it's important to remember its limitations and use it responsibly. It's an AI model that can make our lives easier and more productive, but it should never replace the human touch. However, do bear in mind that ChatGPT doesn't truly comprehend the text as we humans do. It's devoid of beliefs or desires and doesn't have access to your personal data unless you willingly provide it during the... So how does one use this cutting-edge technology? Settle in comfortably as we're about to delve into a comprehensive exploration of the steps involved in harnessing this remarkable tool. Step 1. The initial stage of the process encompasses opening OpenAI website. This serves as your gateway to the world of artificial intelligence. Seek out the ChatGPT link, subtly nestled among the assortment of options. Upon finding it, click on it. The site's intuitive design facilitates a seamless browsing experience, effortlessly leading the user through its intricacies. Clicking the ChatGPT link will guide you to the main page of the ChatGPT model. This page stands as a testament to OpenAI's commitment to delivering a revolutionary AI chatbot tailored to meet our ever-evolving conversational needs. Step 2. Once you find yourself on the ChatGPT page, your journey with this groundbreaking AI tool truly begins. Look for the Try It Now button. It's strategically placed to beckon the eager user to begin their interaction. Upon clicking, the chat interface unveils itself, an invitation to start your maiden voyage into the uncharted waters of AI conversation. Step 3. The next stage of your interaction with ChatGPT involves formulating your message or query. Craft it in the text box provided and press Send. The text box stands as a blank canvas, eagerly awaiting your input. Within moments of hitting Send, ChatGPT will spring into action, processing your input and generating a text response that aligns with your query. This response is not merely a programmed reply, but a unique amalgamation of refined machine learning algorithms ready to cater to your every conversational whim. Step 4. Following the initial exchange, continue your conversation with ChatGPT. Feel free to ask follow-up questions, delve into different topics, or even experiment with various modes of conversation. This is the part where ChatGPT truly shines. With its underlying complex architecture, it can handle a variety of conversational styles, from formal to casual. It has the ability to generate text in a wide range of contexts, showcasing its versatility and adaptability in different conversational scenarios. Step 5. Your journey with ChatGPT doesn't end with just one chat. When you're done with your current conversation, simply close the chat. But remember, ChatGPT is always there, patiently waiting for your return. You can always circle back and ignite a new conversation whenever you feel the need to interact. There you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to ChatGPT. To summarize, using ChatGPT involves opening the OpenAI website, navigating to the ChatGPT page, initiating a chat, engaging in a stimulating conversation, and closing the chat when done. This innovative tool, with its promise of limitless potential, awaits your exploration. From the initial click to the final send-off, it is a journey marked by discovery and learning, powered by the promise of AI. But remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. It can sometimes write incorrect or nonsensical answers, and it may refuse outputs that it deems unsafe. Nevertheless, it's a remarkable example of the capabilities of artificial intelligence, offering a glimpse into a future where AI can converse with human-like proficiency. So, next time curiosity strikes about AI language models, remember this guide to using ChatGPT. And don't hesitate to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. After all, the future is here and it's chatting away.